Emperor Akbar. He was in the habit of putting riddles and puzzles to his people. Once he asked a very strange question. The people were dumbfounded by his question. At this moment that Burble entered the courtyard. Burble, who knew the nature of the emperor, quickly grasped the situation and asked, "May I know the question so that I can try for an answer?" Akbar said, "How many crows are there in the city?" Without even a moment's thought, Burble replied, "There are 50,589 crows, my lord." Asked Akbar, "How can you be so sure?" Burble said, "Make you men count, my lord. If you find more crows, it means some have come to visit their relatives here. If you find less number of crows, it means some have gone to visit their relatives else." Akbar was pleased very much by Burble's wit. Moral: a witty answer will serve its purpose.